It is not as salty as the real salted fish, by the way. Right? Look at how beautiful it is. Cooked fish, pan fry, cooked fish.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. How many of you actually recognize this? This is what we normally call 熟鱼 or cooked fish. Yes, when you bought it from the seller, it is already cooked. What they do is they will pre-cook the fish and then marinate it overnight with some salt, and then it will become something like this. So some people ask me, Appa, how do we eat this fish? So what we normally do is we will actually pan fry. That's the easiest. Pan fry, and why are you only seeing one fish here? Very lonely fish, because Appa is the only person in my family who will eat this fish. The rest of my family member won't eat. Yeah. So I will pan fry this, and it's going to taste really good. Why is it going to taste so good? Is because partly this fish has been dehydrated, meaning it can be drier. It's a little bit drier than the normal or raw fish, but by removing the liquid away from the fish, whatever left is the original flavor and the sweetness, natural sweetness of the fish itself. All right, and you don't really have to clean the innards inside. You straight away you can go and pan fry until super crispy. My childhood fish. I bought 3 pieces this morning from the wet market at ringgit 10 cents. How much is it selling from your side? It is actually very hard to get it nowadays. All right, I think the oil should be hot enough right now. Now I hear some sizzling sound. Just now I don't really hear any sizzling sound at all. Basically, the fish is already cooked. All you need to do is just to pan fry both sides of the fish until it is crispy. This is after about 1 minute on the first side. Don't worry about the skin. Wow, I already smell the nice fragrance from the fish. And like I mentioned, this is marinated with some salt overnight. So for people who doesn't like eating salted fish, like my mother-in-law, so she will not eat this fish at all. I can only enjoy this fish all by myself. I actually bought 3. Another 2 I put it inside the freezer, and I'll cook it another day, and I will probably make it into salad. That's one way to make salad. Wow, super fragrant. Ikan kembung is already very fragrant by itself. When they make it into a cooked fish, lagi fragrant. I'm using a medium heat to pan fry the fish right now, or slightly above medium high. A lot of smoke. I'm reducing the temperature a bit, yeah. Now you're actually seeing the oil turning black color is because the innards is still inside. Don't worry about the innards, yeah. All right, this is after approximately 4 minutes. Wow. Look at how beautiful the fish is. Sometimes if you're lucky, some chap fan shop will be selling this. Usually they will just deep fry everything until it is super crispy. I love it, seriously, I love it. Like I said, this is my childhood flavor. It is not as salty as the real salted fish, by the way. Right? Look at how beautiful it is. Cooked fish, pan fry, cooked fish. Right, so here's the pan fry cooked fish. Very simple. It goes very well with white rice or even or white porridge. Yeah. I hope you like my very simple video today. And if you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.